Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get your IBAN number on Payoneer. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Payoneer, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, for those who are new here, IBAN or International Bank Account Number is part of the Payoneer's platform that is essential if you are involved in international transactions or freelancing activities like this one. You can see you can use checkout to accept global payments in your e-commerce web store. And of course, it acts as a local bank account in the respective currency, making it convenient for international clients to pay you without dealing with the currency conversions or international wire transfers. While you are here on the Payoneer account, I need you to click on the Get Paid button because this is the only section on the dashboard that you can get your IBAN number. When you do that, you would be given three sections: request a payment, batch payment request to multiple payers, or receiving account. And from here, I need you to click on the receiving account. Now, if you haven't set it up, you can get your bank details in the countries where you get paid, because receiving accounts give you bank account details in different countries and currencies. It's like having a local bank account wherever you do business, all right? And of course, from there, once you receive the payment, that would include the IBAN number, all right? All you're gonna do is click on the Get Started if you haven't done so already. And of course, from here, I just need you to follow the on-screen instructions, all right? Of course, you can select the countries where you would like your bank account details, and you can always request account details for additional countries later. We're going to be using UK for British pounds. And from here, click on Submit Request. Before issuing your account details, they would ask for some information. Help us verify your identity and business, all right? Once you've done that, once you submitted your request, you would be able to receive the IBAN number when your client pays you, all right? And now, if you still have more questions and having problems getting your IBAN number on Payoneer, you can simply go to the Payoneer Customer Support Service, and these are the topics, of course, that you can reach them. You can simply click this button here, the Contact Us option, and just choose a topic. You need to log in first, obviously, and then obtaining a Payoneer IBAN number can streamline your international payment processes, reduce cost, and expand your freelance opportunities by making it easier for clients worldwide to pay you in their local currency. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.